go. Show us what you got, Kate.
Counter with the lion.
Woohoo!
Right, so we were talking about electric wires. These old wires. Most of the old wires. You're gonna change your weight.
My hair can buy you heart.
Okay, let's see what you got. What do you think what's gonna happen?
So yeah,
She's gonna get mold from
No, come on, bro. Can't be good at this
She's
one.
gonna
Hope she doesn't get eaten.
run away.
You're not allowed to run. That's dangerous. They're also gonna run after you, and then you get eaten because they're faster than you.
Oh really?
Yeah. Okay. Let's watch her. Go, Kate! Everybody say go, Kate!
4K.
There she goes. Aye! Stop moving. Come on, man.
You're restricting me from access.
Okay. Look at her go. I hope she doesn't run. It's not allowed.
That's the most beautiful strawberry I've ever seen.
Well, guess who's there? So, did you have a fun time? I saw you pet the lion. Was the lion soft?
The skin is very firm, and the fur is very short.
So,
Now we say thank you. It's done. Now we go get the photo.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.
See you next time.